Hey, Bo, what are you doing? Shoes? You're gonna go bye-bye in Mama's shoes? Oh, okay. I don't know, baby. I think those shoes are a little big for you. What do you think? You like them? You're silly. Daddy went golfing. You can't go in Mommy's shoes. Oh my goodness. You can't go in Mommy's shoes. They're too big for you. Where's your shoes? Can you find your blue shoes? They're in the closet. Oh no. Go find them. Shoes. Shoes. Uh-oh. I think you're down for the count. Oh no, you just lost them. Oh no.